heart attack, puppies, diabetic coma, Disney World, seizure, hugs. Hello, my name is Cody Wayne Mixon, and I'm here to talk to you about health and happiness. With the rise of the natural health movement in America, science is proving a correlation between emotions and well-being. I'm going to tell you how my education, my upbringing, and my professional experiences have taught me how to be healthy and happy without great effort. I've been a state-certified EMT in Texas for close to 5 years now, and I've also pursued a Bachelor's of Science degree in nursing for the last 4 years. During this time, I have been at 4 different institutions of higher learning, and 2 of these institutions are state universities. Having such a diverse education has allowed me to study biology, particularly human biology, from many perspectives that most people don't even realize exist. When I began nursing courses, I discovered that modern science has proved what many natural healers have been saying for years. Take, for example, meditation. Hardcore doctors of the past, or real scientists as they would consider themselves, used to mock people who said meditation can improve your quality of life. Well, thanks to the field of neurology and the studies and strides being made in that field, science has now shown us that meditation can bring balance to the central nervous system and reduce inflammation throughout the body, which improves the immune system, and it also speeds up healing. As a kid, I grew up on a farm. We had a huge garden, chickens, goats, and a creek. My parents didn't buy processed foods or sugary treats for us. Instead, we ate fruits and vegetables from the garden. We had eggs from the chickens, and we drank milk from the goats. I used to wake up early every morning to work on the farm. I would weed the gardens, I would mow the field, and I would clear land occasionally. Then around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, all of us kids would get to stop working and have fun. Sometimes we would get root beer floats. Then we would go to my grandmother's house to swim in her pool. Other times, we would take our pellet guns and explore the woods and see what we could find. During this time in my life, I don't ever remember a time where I was sick or I had to stay home from school. And I don't ever remember a time I was unhappy. Medicine today now begins with a holistic approach to patient care. That doesn't mean nurses don't have to learn as much science as before, but it does mean that whenever you approach a patient, you don't start by just looking at their charts and going, what's your ailment and what's the possible medical solution? Instead, stop. Ask them how their day is going. Don't be afraid to get personal with them. Don't be afraid to let them open up to you. When people are personal and social, they feel accepted, which reduces stress. Most illnesses today are not caused by disease or infection. But that doesn't mean I didn't have to study pathophysiology, because I did, and it was hard. But by studying these more complex sciences, we know that by getting regular exercise and maintaining a well-balanced diet, that you're less likely to get ill, and your quality of life will be greatly improved. Science is awesome, and it shows us that we don't need a pill for everything that ails us. Living a happy life is not difficult, even if it may sound stressful. The reality is that it might be good if it's stressful. Psychology has shown that stress can improve productivity and help us be more successful in our endeavors. Remember to set time apart for yourself to have fun, and you don't have to do something expensive like Disney World. Just make sure that you enjoy it. Thank you.